In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove Powered By on your Shopify store. Let's get started right away. So you want to sign in to the admin page. Now once you're here, you want to click on Online Store, which is under Sales Channels. So click on Online Store and then make sure that you click on Themes, but it will automatically send you over to this page. Now once you're here, you want to go to your current theme and you want to click on Actions and then click on Edit Languages. So click on Edit Languages. This will then send you over to the page where you can actually remove the Powered By Shopify. So what you want to do, you want to click right here and you want to search for Powered. Okay, so search for Powered, and then as you can see right there, they're going to search for this. Right there, you'll then see Powered By Shopify. Now all you need to do is select the bar, add a space, or add any other text that you want to put instead of Powered By Shopify, then hit save and you're good to go. Translations updated. Now you can also scroll down and you can also remove it from the password page, but this is only going to show up for you, so it won't be public anyway. But if you want to do that, you should do the exact same thing. So select this, remove, and then click save at the top right corner, and that's how you can remove Powered By Shopify on your store. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like for the YouTube algorithm. I would appreciate that. That would help me out. And leave a comment down below and let me know what your Shopify store is about. I'm always interested to find out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.